Let's create one more tutorial in Autodesk Inventor. In this tutorial, you'll learn to use the Extrude and Loft. So open the Inventor and let's go. The first step to create this part, we will select the top plane and make this sketch here. And here will be the midpoint. And the first thing that we'll make, we will create this rectangle in the top plane with 4 millimeters by 5 millimeters. And here we will create a tangent arc. And in the center of this arc, we will create a circle with 2 millimeters of diameter. So let's create this. Go to create a sketch, select the top plane. Let me rotate this. Select a rectangle. Make a rectangle here, 4 millimeters by 5. And find the center, the midpoint. Go to constraint, select coincident, select the midpoint and the center of this rectangle. And now go to arc, tangent, select this point and this point here. And select the circle, make a circle here with 2 millimeters of diameter. Let me move this dimension a little bit. We made this one, finish the sketch. We needed to extrude this. And the extrusion is 2 millimeters of thickness. It will be symmetric. So go to extrude. The direction, symmetric. The distance, 2 millimeters. And the profile. Select this area and this area and press OK. And now we need to create the same, but in the other plane. We will select the front plane and make this sketch. And here is the midpoint. So we will create a construction line here. And this construction line has 7 millimeters of length because the distance between the center of the holes is 15. And we have this rectangle here with 4 millimeters and this rectangle with 4 millimeters. So the distance here is 7 millimeters. And we will create the same sketch but in the right plane with the same dimensions. So let's create this. Go to create a sketch, go to origin and select the YZ plane. And here, select line, a construction geometry, click here in the midpoint, make a line here with 7 millimeters. Remove the construction geometry. Select a rectangle here, make a rectangle here, 4 by 5 millimeters. And go to constraints, coincident. Select this point here of this line and select the center of this line here. And go to arc again. Select these 2 points. Tangent arc and make a circle here in the center with 2 millimeters. And select this line and make this a construction geometry. Finish the sketch, go to extrude. Select this profile, the distance 2 millimeters and direction symmetric. Press OK. We made this one. And now we need to create the center of this part. To create this, we use Loft. And look that this point here is connected with this edge here. It is rotating this loft. So let's create this. Go to Loft, click here and select a sketch. And here we will select this face and select this face. And now go to conditions, select the tangent here, tangent conditions, and go to transition. Remove the automatic mapping. And here, the set 1. Click here and set 1. The set 1 is this point here, the point 1, okay? So we will change this to this side, okay? This point here to this side here. Click here. Go to the set 2. The set 2 is this line here. So we will change this point to this one to rotate this. The set 3 is this line here. So we will change at this point to this one. And the set 4 rotate to this side. Now it is rotating, and press OK. We made this one. So here we finish our exercise. So thanks for watching. Subscribe my channel for more, and see you in the next videos. Bye bye.